This is Houston. It's 8 in the morning. On my way to the big Nightingale premiere in Philadelphia, and it's gonna be a good show. I don't wanna do your dirty work no more. I'm a fool to do your dirty work. Oh yeah. There's the city. There's Philadelphia.
Philadelphia, lock your doors.
Oh, what is it? Fluffy. Fluffy, right? Fluffy, right? Wasn't it?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. You know, the fluffy Eagles?
The fluffy Eagles.
You know, I go and watch the fluffy Eagles.
Fluffy.
Hey, that's a pretty
What are
cool
you
door
saying,
to take a
fluffy?
picture.
What's the other thing? Say five. Say what five? What is it?
$5.
$5. $5.
And he said, I'm on the plane and I'm just going $5. $5. That's it. That's it right here.
Really
We're at the Ritz East parking lot.
Do you have
At our big premiere.
You have to pay on Saturdays, right?
Okay. We're gonna. I don't know if you have to pay for parking.
Houston?
Yeah. But you don't want me filming?
I don't know if you have to pay for parking.
Rats and wings.
Hit the birds.
This is the concession stand at the Ritz East Theater, where we are about to premiere David Faulkner's new movie Nightingale in front of about like 140 people or something crazy like that. Hey,
I'm David Faulkner, writer, director.
Are you excited about the premiere?
I'm excited now, yes.
Now letting some people into the theater. I don't know if this is everybody taking pictures of me.
And I locked the house.